So I did get the tank back. I'm still waiting on the straps because people are saying that America's bulk will balkanize. I claim that it's already there. And what I understand of balkanization is anybody that's lived in Eastern Europe after '89 knows exactly what I'm talking about. Where you can't get anything done, nobody does anything without a bribe, without this, and even with a bribe, they'll give you poor quality work. And that's kind of the case with this fuel tank. I'm not very happy, but it is what it is. So now we're working on putting the belts on, finding the right size, getting this thing to be functional again so I can get it registered. Now, as you just saw, she starts up okay. Some oddball sounds, but we'll have to see once filters are replaced. I think it's an issue of not enough fuel pressure.
In a world made of metal, powers collide for dominance. Internal combustion. It's explosive. They got me. They took away my horn. I can't honk anymore.
What happened to the Crown Vic? Gosh darn it. They took away his horn. Well, I still got mine, and now I'm gonna honk and honk all the way.
Excuse me, but I don't think so, because that's offensive, and you're gonna be silenced too.
It's unbelievable. He silenced the American. Well then, I have a friend I'm going to bring in. До свидания, товарищ. I am Zew, and I am here to help you because I can carry many people and I can carry many voices because it's always loud inside of me. Here comes Saviem to the rescue, because I will add my voice to our choir of justice.
Oh, no, you don't, because you're in France and you're in the EU, and the EU has Article 13, and now we're gonna silence you all because it's not right, and it's just hateful, and it's mean, and it's bad.
She has a point. She may silence you, but she will never silence Mother Russia. You ain't gonna silence me either, cause I'll be tooting my horn. But what is the plan? Hold on 1 sec now, cause I got an idea. What is the American doing?
Excuse me, but you can't be doing whatever you're doing because you have to stop and it's wrong, and I'm gonna report you. What's going on? What's going? No, no, no!
I'm back, baby. Can't silence Crown Vic. They may have stopped my honk, but I still got my exhaust.
Welcome back, Crown Victoria. It's good to see you.
Thanks, Lada. Plan is simple. All of us must speak up. We can't be silent any longer. Rev up your engines, honk your horns, because we will be heard.
What shall we do if they silence us all?
They can't.
The American is right. There's too many of us. And all of us together, we can rev and honk. And some of us even got some air horns.
Well then, I guess it's time for a little noise. Honk honk.